The next thing we're going to do is a masking effect. And since I'm only going to use one photo for this, I don't need to import anything to my library. I can import it directly to the stage. So if I go to File, Import to Stage, I can bring in my photo. If the photo is not the right size, then I can use the free transform tool and I can resize that picture and get it right sized for the stage that I'm using. So that picture right there, I'm going to stretch it out just a little bit, is of a beach. I'm going to make 2 layers in this. This is going to be my photo layer, and the second layer is going to be where the mask occurs. I'm going to make a couple of frames here. I'm going to make a frame 100 as a keyframe so that my picture sticks on for that much time. If I lock this layer and make a new layer, I'm going to go ahead and call that the mask. Double click it and call it mask. There's a real simple thing I'm going to do to this layer. I'm going to take a shape, for example, like this right here, and I'm going to give it a couple of behaviors. I'm going to have it start at frame 1 in this location, and at frame 50 I'm going to have it over on the other side, and then at frame 100 I'm going to have it return to its original location. That way, here's a keyframe. When it loops, it'll just go around in circles, right? So I put a keyframe at 50, and then I'm going to move it over here to this side. What that's going to accomplish is, at frame 1, it's going to be here, at frame 50, it's going to jump over here, and at frame 100, it's going to go back to the beginning. When I select mask, the whole layer, and insert a classic tween, it should bounce back and forth. The only thing I'm missing at this point is the masking effect. That's reasonably simple. All you have to do is right-click on this layer and click on mask, and then it does exactly what you told it to do.